Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So these are the metallic shoes which I have created. So this is my first DIY and look how stunning these shoes are looking. So I have tried to create the metallic effect on the plain black glossy shoes which I got only for rupees 150. So if you'll go in the market and search for these shoes, this will cost you 250 to 300 on the street. So this I have done at my home only with some colors and only the shoes. So no further delay, let's get started how I have done. So here I am taking plain peach color shoes. This is Fevicryl acrylic colors in shade silver. This is Hobby Ideas acrylic color in shade golden, and this is Camel medium 2 solution. On my plain peach shoes, I am taking this clear tape and I am securing the area which I don't want to color. I am securing it well, and I will be doing the same on my other shoes. So both are secured. So now I am taking this silver acrylic color. On my mixing bowl, I'm taking a little bit. Now I'm mixing the solution to the silver color and will mix nicely with the help of flat brush. Once you put the solution, this will give that color the metallic effect. So this is how the color looks like, pure silver. I'm taking a bit of color on my brush and will start painting on my shoes. You need to make sure that shoes are well painted and in only one direction. So I'm painting only in one direction to make it more clean. Now I am taking more color on my brush and painting the other shoes as well. Make sure you cover each and every corner of your shoes. So this is my beige color shoes looks like. I've painted silver on both the shoes and I've painted the heels as well. So these silver metallic shoes are ready. I'll keep it aside to get dry. So now I'm taking black plain shoes. These are the glossy shoes to get this painted golden. So I am following the same procedure as we have done for painting the peach shoes. This time I am using the golden color to paint these one. You can use the silver as well if you like the silver color, but I'm a golden person, so I'm painting golden. I'm really sorry guys, I couldn't record the full video of this because I was under an impression my video is getting recorded, but it was not. So really apologies for that. So I have kept these shoes to dry. So this is the final look of my black shoes which I have painted golden, and these shoes are looking stunning. Sorry guys, I cannot show you my silver shoes because that got spoiled. I'm really feeling bad for it, but can't help out. So if you like this video, so please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Till then, stay tuned. Bye.